The world has once again been shaken by an event with the potential to reshape the geopolitical landscape of Latin America and possibly far beyond. For the first time in modern history, a former Latin American head of state has appeared in a United States federal court not as a diplomatic guest, but as a criminal defendant. Nicolás Maduro, the Venezuelan leader who for years has symbolized defiance against Washington, now stands in a Manhattan courtroom, facing serious charges that could result in decades in prison. Maduro's court appearance came just days after a United States military operation in Caracas, a move that immediately triggered condemnation, speculation, and global concern. During the brief hearing, Maduro pleaded not guilty to all charges, including allegations of involvement in an international drug trafficking network and illegal possession of weapons. Speaking through an interpreter, he described his arrest as a kidnapping and insisted that he remains the legitimate president of Venezuela. Yet outside the courtroom, the narrative has grown increasingly complex. Maduro's wife, Cilia Flores, is also facing similar legal proceedings and has pleaded not guilty. Further hearings for both are scheduled in the coming months as diplomatic pressure on the United States continues to mount. Inside Venezuela, the political situation is shifting rapidly. Vice President Delcy Rodríguez has been sworn in as interim president, marking a new chapter in the country's leadership crisis. Even so, it remains unclear to what extent this new administration exercises full control over the military, state institutions, and domestic stability. Meanwhile, from Washington, U.S. President Donald Trump issued remarks that have sparked renewed concern. Trump did not rule out additional strikes against Venezuela should the interim government be deemed uncooperative with U.S. interests, particularly regarding narcotics enforcement and the future of Venezuela's oil industry. These statements have opened the door to widespread speculation. Is this truly a matter of international law enforcement? Or is it the beginning of a broader pressure strategy aimed at Latin America? Analysts warn that Washington's actions could set a dangerous precedent, one in which the boundaries between law, diplomacy, and military force become increasingly blurred. The implications extend beyond Venezuela, potentially affecting international relations, regional stability, and global confidence in the rule-based international order. We will continue to monitor developments closely through trusted international sources.